Something just happened behind the scenes in AI, and almost nobody is talking about it. A new system called Ox Alpha has appeared, and what it's capable of could force us to rethink who is actually winning the AI race. But there's one more detail about Ox Alpha that makes this story much more interesting, and we'll get right into it. So here also you can see a video about Ox Alpha, which is competing with Fable 5. So here it's a cherry blossom tree in which you can see that like there's a day and night and you can zoom in and zoom out. So this Ox Alpha has made and Fable 5 has also made this. Next, Ox Alpha also competed with Kimi K3. Now, both models were tested with same prompt at their highest reasoning, in which Ox Alpha took over 2 hours for both tasks. Kimi just took around 30 minutes for both tasks. And you can't judge Ox Alpha fully right now as it's kinda in testing. And if you see here this video, so here you can see the Ox Alpha Max and Kimi K3 Max. So when the prompt was given, so you can see, you can scroll down like a website is made, and here also you can see eyes are decorative and more. So you can see for both. Here it's written the sea is nice, and observatory you can hold, the ocean tuned, so many things Ox Alpha and Kimi K3 has made. Go Arena has also tested Ox Alpha on computer use, and for a primarily coding model, it did decent. So the prompt was draw a cup on paint. And let's look at the video. So the competition was between Ox Alpha and GPT 5.6 Soul, and the prompt was to draw a cup on paint. So this is the paint tool has been opened, and then they're trying to draw a cup on paint. So Ox Alpha has made almost a cup, and GPT 5.6 Soul is also making the cup. And you can see the results that both of them have made. And the winner was GPT 5.6 Soul. There was another game test in which Kimi 1 shotted everything really fast, and on other hand, Ox Alpha took a lot of time trying to make this, and it was kind of bugged too. So the person, he said that he had to fix it before he could post anything. So now if you see here the game between Ox Alpha Max and Kimi K3 Max. So this is the game in which they have made, and in which like the player has to like jump on top of any things that are spiky, or some of the monsters, it has to jump on it, otherwise the monsters will kill them. So this Ox Alpha and Kimi K3 have made. Now this model Ox Alpha is said to be the mysterious AI model, and this has appeared on Open Router. And the main thing is that it is not revealing the company behind it, and it's also offering developers free access to a reasoning model, which is built for coding, long-running AI agents, and production workloads. So this model, it came on the surface on August 20 under Open Router's stealth label. So it is said it's in stealth mode. Its provider has chosen to remain anonymous, with Open Router said it only routes requests to the third-party provider. Now, many people are speculating behind it that who might be the company behind it, whether it might be OpenAI, it might be Google, it might be NVIDIA, or anyone, which company it might be behind. And now this model, it comes with over 1 million token context window. The output, the maximum output is 131072 tokens, and it supports the text, image, and video inputs. It also supports the tool calling and structured outputs, in which it puts in the growing category of models, which is built for agentic software development rather than simple chatbot interactions. Now, currently it's available for free, and there's no paid thing in it. And OpenCode is also promoting it as a limited time preview. So it is for limited time, the free version, and the provider has also claimed capacity for as much as 100 trillion tokens per day, while OpenCode's listing describes the model as free for a week. So now it's for free and you can go use it for free, and people are testing it. So for a week, it's for free. And also, the coding performance has drawn a lot of attention. It has quickly gained attention after early developer testing suggested strong coding performance. Also, in a test which was conducted by an independent developer and researcher, Ben Davis, Ox Alpha has scored 80% after completing 8 of 10 deep software engineering tasks. On the same comparison, Claude Fable 5 scored 65%, GLM 5.3 62%, Grok 4.6 62%, and GPT 5.6 Soul 52%. They say the model's ability to work across long software engineering tasks has been enough to attract significant developer interest. So it has beaten Claude Fable 5, GLM 5.3, Grok 4.6, and GPT 5.6 Soul in deep software engineering tasks. Regarding who built Ox Alpha? So that is the biggest question surrounding the launch. Now, the strongest theory so far points to Z.AI, the Chinese AI company behind the GLM family, and researchers have compared Ox Alpha's API behavior, tokenization, and also error responses with publicly available GLM models and found several similarities. Even Anane Arora, founder of OpenAI, said on social media that Ox Alpha is 100% a GLM model by Zipu AI and suggested that the model could be an upcoming GLM 6. And also based on early benchmark results, it has also appeared to be almost Mythos class and also outperforming other frontier models in software engineering and also in cybersecurity benchmarks. Even they say that the Ox Alpha's tokenizer matched the GLM5 generation across 44 test strings. Other researchers also found similarities in API behavior and reasoning controls. Now, this connection to Z.AI means Zipu.ai. It remains unconfirmed, with one notable clue standing out. Now, GLM 5.3 is a text-only model. Ox Alpha can process images and videos, which is fueling the speculation that it could be an unreleased multimodal model from the GLM family rather than a rebranded GLM 5.3. And also, anonymous model releases are not entirely new. Z.AI previously also used the name Pony Alpha for an anonymous preview before the release of GLM5, giving developers a chance to test the models without the usual branding and expectations. Now, Ox Alpha has seen a substantial usage since its release. Even its tracking page also shows more than 22 trillion tokens processed, 282,000 unique users, and nearly 6.8 million completed sessions. Here, this is the website of oxalpha.com. You can say meet Ox Alpha. It's in stealth mode, free to try. They say this model, it appeared out of nowhere. No company name is said right now, and it's built for code, long horizon agents, and a million tokens of context. Nobody knows who made it, and everyone wants to try it. So here you can start writing your prompt, and you can also click this button to go to oxalpha.com/chat. And you can also learn more about it if you want to learn more about Ox Alpha. Now, if you scroll down here, its shape is kind of like an ox. So people think that it's kind of like the ox because it's in stealth mode, it's strong, and it has 1 million tokens of context, 131,000 max output tokens, 3 input modalities means text, image, video. And $0 means it's taking $0. It's completely free while it's in stealth. And this model thinks before it speaks. So it's a reasoning model. It plans, checks itself, and only then answers. So hard problems get worked through instead of guessed at. And it has visible thinking, multi-step logic like math, systems design, proofs, tricky edge cases, work through, not pattern matching. And it can also watch the reasoning stream before the final answer lands. And it's also production grade up, means it's tuned for real workloads, not party tricks. And it has 1048576, a million tokens of memory, means you paste an entire code base, a 500-page spec, or a week of transcripts. Aux Alpha keeps all of it in mind while it works. No chunking, no retrieval tricks, no losing the thread. And the capabilities of it, it's built for real work. Everything a frontier model should do, and a few things most of them can't. So long horizon coding, see what you see means the text, images, and video, screenshots, designs, UI, reasoned about, not just describe. Also the tool calling, such as native tools and tools choice support for agents that actually do things. Their structured output means it asks for JSON and get JSON. Schema shape responses, wire response format. And there's also sustained agentic work. It keeps its rooting across long, multi-step tasks instead of drifting off halfway. And you can also watch it reason, like a reasoning model shows its work. So here it shows what a typical exchange looks like. It's like thinking, and it also shows how it's thinking, like what it is thinking. And the stealth mode is top of the table. You can see the benchmark results, like 80% Aux Alpha, 65% Fable 5, 62% GLM 5, 52% GPT 5 means 5.6 Soul, 62% Grok 4. So these were the benchmark results for deep software engineering. And if you scroll down here, there are also more results. If you see, like you can see the results for deep software engineering, and Aux Alpha tops the chart. And here you can also try it on, like you can pick any task you want it to use, or you can bring your own, means you can write your own prompt, or you can choose from here any task you want it and see how it's working, what kind of answers it's giving. Review a pull request like a senior engineer, and turn rough notes into a production-ready doc, and also digest a 500-page PDF into key takeaways. Wow, 500 pages, that's a lot. Because even ChatGPT does not do that. Like 500 pages, you can't give it. Like just 36 pages or more than 36 pages you give, it will be like, sorry, I can't process it. And it's 0 to answer in seconds. You can get started in seconds, like describe the task, like type a goal in plain English. It thinks through the problem, and it review and iterates. It like refine with follow-ups. And whatever questions, like the FAQs, it has answered, like by the website they have given, like who made Aux Alpha. Okay, so still now they say nobody knows. What is it good at? It's good at long horizon software engineering, complex reasoning, and workflows that combine text with visual context. So that's all from my part. Before going, I would like to say that I've been working on this course on Udemy that will be coming. Like I'll be launching it, and this course is the complete Python bootcamp, which is beginner to AI and automation. Like you have no idea how to use Python, how to write codes. So in this course, you'll be able to tell like what to write, what codes to write, and also what AI automation to do and AI automation projects to do. So this course will do it. So that's all I'll say. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.